Hey traders, welcome back to another episode of iTradez. You click buy. The market jumps up for a moment, giving you hope, and then without warning, it drops straight into your stop loss. Your heart sinks. You start thinking, was I wrong about the market? Did I miss something obvious? What if I told you the market didn't trick you? You just didn't see the invisible road it was traveling on. That road is called a trend line. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to draw them, use them, and avoid the traps that cost beginners money every single day. We're going to start simple, with just a plain line chart so you can clearly see how price moves. Then we'll move to real candlestick charts. Here's what you'll learn in this video: how to identify uptrends, downtrends, and sideways markets with confidence. Step by step how to draw accurate trend lines on both line and candlestick charts. The biggest mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. How to spot fakeouts, breakouts, and retests like a pro. A complete real-life trading example from analysis to exit. And a simple trendline strategy you can try immediately. By the end of this video, you won't just know what a trend line is, you'll be able to see the market's hidden slope and use it to your advantage. But only if you watch all the way to the end, because the last part is where everything comes together. What exactly is a trend line? On a line chart, in an uptrend, we connect the rising lows. In a downtrend, we connect the falling highs. In sideways markets, we connect horizontal highs and lows to define a range. Why it matters: trend lines help filter out the noise. They simplify your decision-making. Trade with the trend, not against it. Use the line as a guide for entries, exits, and stop-loss placement. How many types of trend lines are there? The three types of trends. Uptrend, price is making higher highs and higher lows. Story: imagine a staircase where every step you climb is higher than the last. You draw a line along the edges of those steps. That's your uptrend line. Downtrend, price is making lower highs and lower lows. Story: like walking down a slope in the rain, every step is slightly lower and your path keeps going downward. Sideways, price is stuck between two levels. Story: think of a ball bouncing between the floor and the ceiling without escaping either. How to draw an uptrend line? Steps: switch to a line chart for clarity. Identify two or more swing lows, points where price reversed upward. Draw a straight line connecting them. Look for a third touch to confirm the line. Switch back to candlesticks and adjust slightly if needed. Extra tips: the more touches, the stronger the line, but also the more likely it might break eventually. Avoid drawing a line that's too steep. Steep lines break quickly. How to draw a downtrend line? Steps: switch to a line chart. Identify two or more swing highs, points where price reversed downward. Connect them with a straight line. Confirm with a third touch before relying on it. Sideways trend lines. Steps: identify the highest points price reaches before reversing. Identify the lowest points price reaches before bouncing up. Draw a horizontal line at each. Inside the range, price bounces between your two lines. Breakouts above or below signal possible new trends. The most common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1: the forced line. They try to make the market fit their idea, bending lines to match their bias. Reality: the market doesn't care about your drawing. You must fit your analysis to it. Mistake 2: using just 2 points forever. 2 points start a trend line. Multiple touches confirm it. Without confirmation, you're trading blind. Mistake 3: ignoring wicks completely. Wicks often mark the true turning points. Ignoring them can make your line less accurate. Mistake 4: forgetting to adjust. A trend line is not permanent. If new highs or lows form, adjust your line. Mistake 5. Wrong time frame analysis. A trend line on a 5-minute chart may be meaningless on a 1-hour chart. Always check higher time frames. Trend lines in different markets. Forex. Trends can last days to weeks. Watch major currency pairs for long-term lines. Crypto. Trends can be more volatile and break faster. Keep your lines flexible. Stocks. Daily and weekly trend lines can guide long-term trades. Commodities. Respect seasonal trends when drawing lines. Advanced adjustments and redrawing rules. If price breaks a line but returns quickly, consider adjusting rather than deleting. Use zones instead of exact lines. Markets are not perfect. Don't let one false breakout make you throw away a valid trend. Combining trend lines with other tools. Support and resistance. Double confirmation of entries. Moving averages. See if they align with your trend line. Fibonacci retracements. If a retracement and trend line meet, that's a strong level. Breakouts, fakeouts, and retests. Breakout. Price closes beyond the line. Fakeout. Price breaks but quickly returns. Retest. After breaking, price tests the line from the other side before continuing. Pro tip. Always wait for a retest before entering on a breakout. Complete case study. From start to finish. Identify the trend on the daily chart. Uptrend confirmed. Draw an uptrend line connecting 3 major swing lows. Drop to 4-hour chart. Wait for price to touch the line. Price touches line plus forms a bullish engulfing candle. Enter long stop loss below the line. Price moves up, reaching resistance. Partial take profit. Trail stop loss to lock in profits. Psychological traps. Thinking a trend line will always hold after multiple touches. Entering before price actually reaches the line. Assuming every breakout is the start of a new trend. Golden rules. Recap. Trade with the higher time frame trend. Avoid steep lines. Adjust as price evolves. Combine with other tools for confirmation. So there you have it. Trend lines demystified. We covered how to spot trends, draw your lines with precision, avoid common beginner traps, and even walked through a real-life example step by step. If you've been struggling with entries, exits, or getting whipsawed by the market, I hope this video has shown you just how powerful and simple trend lines can be when used correctly. Now it's your turn. Open your charts today and start practicing. The more you draw, the sharper your eye becomes. If this video helped you out, hit the like button so more traders can find it. Drop a comment below telling me what part clicked for you the most. Or, if you have a question, I reply to everyone I can. And of course, if you want more trading lessons like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.